everybody, this is Jeff with Island Hopper TV, and today I'm coming to you from Sydney, Australia in New South Wales. The biggest, most populated city in all of Australia. So if you're excited about this video, crush up the likes and let's get started. Coming to you now from Hyde Park in Sydney, headed over to the Sydney Opera House and Sydney Harbour Bridge, and let's keep this tour moving. So here we are on arguably one of the most beautiful harbors in the world, Sydney Harbour. Just over this little hump here is going to be the Sydney Opera House. But this is definitely one of the most beautiful harbors you will ever visit. Some harbors are really beautiful but cold. Sydney is beautiful and not so cold. Alright, now we made it to the Sydney Opera House down here. This is the side I entered from the Botanical Gardens. See if we can go up there and get a nice view. Earlier I said that Sydney Harbour reminded me of San Francisco. It also kind of seems like Puget Sound, Seattle. But again, better weather. Although it is spicy hot today. How are these views? The Sydney Harbour Bridge. Why don't they build more stuff like this in the world? Obviously it's an iconic landmark. You'd think they'd build more amazing stuff like that. Good on you, Sydney. Some festivities for the Lunar New Year. How about taking that Thunder Jet boat? Man, that's going to be a heck of a ride. So we're headed on the Manly Ferry. It's 19 Aussie dollars for a round trip ticket. We're going to Manly Beach. When you get off the ferry, which is this Manly Wharf, you go up this promenade here across the road, and that's what takes you across this little peninsula over to the beach here at Manly Beach. So don't get lost. Oh, Bondi Beach is pretty popular around here too. Thank you. How deeply you touch another life is how rich your life is. so we've made it to Manly Beach. This place is crowded. It's like on the level of crowded like Copacabana in Rio. I mean, this place is crowded. Huntington Beach crowded. Damn. Crowded. The rocks. Argyle Stairs. It's a popular festival area. Rocks Lunar Markets. Still celebrating Lunar New Year. Down to Bondi Beach. Bondi Beach. A bit hazy from the fires. Ocean pool. So here we are at Hyde Park. I have no idea what kind of bird that is. It's an Aussie bird. What kind of statue they got going on over here? This here is the Art Gallery of New South Wales. Got a festival going on called the Laneway. We got the Laneway Festival going. Now this is a botanic garden. As humid as it is, that would make sense, wouldn't it? Look at this. Those like, they almost look like pink bananas, but I think they're flowers. Have no fear, we're headed to the Opera House.
right, everybody, that's going to conclude this episode from Sydney, Australia. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.